Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, good people? How's everybody doing? It's Tuesday afternoon, live at 5. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, man, we are just coming off a phenomenal second quarter kickoff last night. I mean, it was phenomenal. I mean, the agents at ACA are getting it done. Man, we had so many agents in our organization that have already put over $10 million of future tax-free transferable wealth back in our communities. 10 million. And ladies and gentlemen, let me say something. That is not a small number. There are so many folks out here that's in the industry, but just not making that same kind of impact. I mean, let's just be honest. It's just not. You know what I mean? A $25,000, $30,000 policy is not making a difference. Yeah, they can bury him. I get that. But what happens after that? You know what I mean? Hey, Shelly. Hey, Kalinda. Fael, how you doing? And Shelly and Shelly. Okay, I got both of y'all. Okay, all right. Tabitha Green, how you doing? And but it was really, really good last night to be on the call with our teammates last night at the second quarter kickoff. Man, we are up in every category. Hey, Brandy. And we are up in every category. I mean, it is phenomenal, the things that we're doing here at ACA and growing. There is a Women's Wellness and Wealth event going on in Texas in May. And then the one that's close to home for me is in Hampton Roads, Virginia on July 22nd. So if y'all know anybody in those areas, you need to get them to this event. But more importantly, sooner than later, we're going to be in Cincinnati, Ohio this weekend. If you know anybody in that area this weekend, you need to get them to the Delta Hotel in downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to do the American Classic Agency Opportunity Call. And we're also going to be doing a financial workshop. And we got Cash Value King, Douglas Aza, coming in town. We got Rod White coming in town. We got Eugene Mitchell coming in town. So we're going to have a great time. Great time. And of course, we're going to be represented by our home office. Kalinda Anglin is going to be there also. So we got a great event planned for us. Linnea Perkins, Pauline Flowers, all of them young ladies in Ohio are going to be there. You need to register because seats are filling up fast. So that's at the Delta Hotel in Cincinnati, Ohio, this Saturday. There's a meet and greet Friday, so you need to register. For those of y'all that's in the DMV or surrounding areas, you may decide to drive down. The grand opening here at the ACA headquarters is going to be May the 12th. We're in the planning stages now, and the registration is coming out, I would say, no later than tomorrow, and we want to get that information out as well. So it's been a busy day here so far, and so also, for those who are interested in the ACA opportunity, go to the website and click on demand, and you will see the thing that's planned. The opportunity session is planned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, and it will be showing again tonight at 7 o'clock. So, back to my topic for today. And I kind of went back and forth on this topic for today, but I kind of try to keep things relevant. We're still in Financial Empowerment Month, the month of April. I did a great workshop this past weekend with the ladies of Delta Sigma Theta. So I've been pretty busy doing workshops. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But today my topic is the gift of a lifetime. Right? A gift of a lifetime. What gift could someone be given that's going to last them a lifetime? If I give you $1,000, it's not going to last a lifetime. But what gift, what guarantees do we have that we can give someone and it's going to last that person a lifetime? You know, guarantees. So I'm just going to read something to you, and then I'm going to kind of summarize it, and then I'm going to be out your way. But I want us to think about something. What is it that we can save our money into, right? Because so many people are still asking me about all these other things that have no guarantees, no non-regulatory. I mean, I got to go with the guarantees. I got to go with what's been tried and what's been proven. That's my best advice. I don't know what's going to happen in the market. I don't know what's going to happen with the mutual funds. I don't know what's going to happen in cryptocurrency. I don't know any of that stuff. But what I do know, for over the last 200 years, what's been going on that's paid out the guarantee. So I want us to think about this. I am education for the children. I am a savings. I'm also property that increases in value from year to year, with guarantees that are increasing. I want you to think about that. I am an education for the children. I am a savings. I am property that increases in value from year to year. What can do that? I lend money when you need it most with no questions asked. Who does that? Right? If I go to the bank and I want them to loan me some money, they're going to ask me a whole lot of questions. Right? They're going to run my background. They're going to probably fingerprint me, credit report, and everything else. So now there are going to be some questions asked. But this gift that I'm talking about, there are no questions asked. I pay off mortgages so that the family can remain together in their home. Can I do that with mutual funds? Can I do that with stock market? No, I can't do that. Can I do that with CDs? No. Only this gift that I'm talking about that I can do that with. Right? I create and manage and distribute property. I guarantee the continuity of business. I protect the job of employees. Right? I can't do that, but only with this gift that I'm talking to you about. Right? I am a tangible piece of evidence that a man or woman is a good spouse or parent. A tangible piece of evidence, right? This gift of a lifetime is very unique, and everybody should have it. Some piece of it, everybody should have it. Listen, I am the only thing that a mother and father can buy on an installment plan, and a survivor does not have to finish paying for it. Man, I'm going to say that again. I am the only thing that a mother and father can buy on the installment plan, and the survivor does not have to continue paying for it. This gift is so unique, right? And it's not available across the century where everybody can see it. It's really hidden by the government. The government don't want us to know about this gift, because we all understood this gift of a lifetime. That would be a lot less money going into the tax qualified plans at work. And if that happens, then the government stands to lose trillions and trillions of dollars. And they're not going to do this. So you're not going to see this on the 6 o'clock news, right? Listen to this. I am a certificate of character and evidence of good citizenship and an impeachable title to the right of self-government. Listen to this. I am protected by laws that prevents creditors from accessing the money that I want to give to my loved ones. I am protected by the laws. Well, if I got money sitting in the bank, am I protected? No. If I got money in my 401k plan or my TSP at work, am I protected? No. If I got money in the stock market, am I protected? No. Only with this gift of a lifetime do we have this kind of protection. Oh man, you gotta get in the game. You gotta get in the game, right? Man, I am a supplier of investment capital that makes smoke go up in the chimneys, wheels turn and motors hum. Man, I am the only thing that's standing between an elderly man, an old man and an elderly gentleman. There's a difference between an old man and an elderly gentleman. An old man is broke. An elderly gentleman has financial means. He's wealthy. He's doing okay for himself. So I don't know about you. I want to be an elderly gentleman. I want to be an old man. An elderly gentleman is much better. Right? So think about that. What else does this special gift of a lifetime do? Well, I guarantee that there will always be Christmas with tinsel, a happy fireside, a laughter of children, even though the breadwinner or parent is no longer there. Think about that for a minute, right? It's always a sad occasion when anybody passes away. I get that. But it's even a sadder occasion when a parent passes away and has young children. Right? And I always believe that an emotional disaster does not have to become a financial disaster. And it can only not be that way with this special gift of a lifetime. I can't save my way to this special gift of a lifetime. I can make 1 or 2 premium payments and have this special gift. Actually, I can make 1 premium payment and have this special gift of a lifetime. that's tax-free, right? I am a guardian angel of the house, right? This special gift of a lifetime. Everyone should be receiving this gift, and everyone should be given this gift. If you love somebody and you owe somebody, you got to give them this gift. That's really going to determine how much you love somebody, right? You know, I'm from Missouri. I'm from Show Me State. Don't just tell me you love me. Show me you love me by leaving me this gift of a lifetime. That's what it's all about. Financial security, leaving generational wealth back into our communities. And you can only do that with this special gift, right? I can't do it leaving you my house. I don't know what the value of my house is going to be. And not only that, if you need money from the house, you got to sell it, right? I don't know how long that's going to take. It could be on the market a year, 2 years, doesn't matter. Oh, I hear this. Well, I got equity. Well, how fast can you get to the equity? We need money now. I don't need money 45 days from now, right? And if my credit is jacked up, I can't even get to the equity. But this gift of a lifetime, if you are a recipient of it, there are no questions asked. You can access it with no questions asked. You have non-structured payments if you decide to take a loan against it, not from it. And let me clarify that statement for a minute. I hear people say it, why should I have to borrow my own money? Well, you're not borrowing your money, right? You're using OPM, other people's money. So if you're borrowing your own money, you're doing it wrong. You got to talk to someone at American Classic Agency that can show you how to properly structure and design this special gift of a lifetime called a life insurance policy. That's what this special gift of a lifetime is. And a permanent life insurance policy so that you can take loans against it when need to. There's nothing wrong with term, don't get me wrong. But at some point, you want to get into owning it, right? So that you can use it to leverage, to purchase assets, appreciating assets. That's what it does for you. So the gift of a lifetime is life insurance, right? It's not about just dying. It's about living. That's why they call it life insurance, where you could access it for terminal illness, chronic illness, critical injury, heart attack, stroke, diseases, motor neuron disease, Alzheimer's disease, all of that on one program, one premium, and one agent here at American Classic Agency. So that's all I got for you today. And I heard somebody tell me the other day, man, you on and off. Yep. You know, y'all busy, I'm busy. I just give you a short message and I'm on my way. But I'm going to close out next Tuesday night. That's the last Tuesday of Financial Empowerment Month. So I'm going to close out on another financial tip. But let's get the gift of a lifetime. Let's make sure our children have it. Let's make sure our children's children have it. And I'll also say that I said this on Saturday at a seminar that I was doing. There are too many GoFundMes going on in our community. We are better than that. We are more educated than that. We can do better with that. And I ain't talking about just $30,000, that's enough. That's not enough, right? I had somebody talk about that the other day. Well, that's enough to bury me, that's $30,000. I said, well, depends on when you die. If you die today, that's enough. You live another 10 or 15 years, that's not going to be enough. So our mission at ACA is to put $1.5 billion of future tax-free transferable wealth back into our communities. Last year we did $1.1 billion. This year our goal is $1.5 billion. And we need your help. So if you know of anybody that needs to talk to us, please give us a call at 301-794-4290. All right? 301-794-4290. Thank you for joining me today. And I will see you again next Tuesday, same time, same place. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.